The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Harrison County in south-central Indiana, southeastern Meade County in central Kentucky, southwestern Jefferson County in central Kentucky, north-central Hardin County in central Kentucky, northwestern Bullitt County in central Kentucky, until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles southeast of Brandenburg, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Valley Station. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.